Well, welcome to this article about cosmology. Does cosmology give us evidence for a recent creation, or does it point us to an old universe? Well, this is probably the most difficult of all the subjects to talk about because the evidence we have is so limited compared to the amount of evidence we'd really need to come to an authoritative answer. With geology and with biology, there is in fact quite a lot of evidence compared to what might reasonably be expected to be the sum total of evidence in these two fields. But even there, one has to admit there's still a lot more to know. When we come to cosmology, the lot more to know is vastly more. There are some lines of evidence that point to a recent universe, and I itemize those in this article. And there is a line of evidence that's curious, which leads to a special place for the Earth within the universe, which is the receding galaxies, what's called the Doppler shift. And that would appear to argue that the Earth is at the centre or near the centre of an expanding universe. However, even that is a bit problematic because we simply don't know if those redshifts really do signify an expanding universe. That is how little we know about these things. And so my overall observation about cosmology is we simply don't know enough to be authoritative in any of our prognostications, both for a young Earth and for an old Earth. In which case I think we'd better submit to what the Bible says, which is God created the universe ex nihilo, from nothing, and he did so recently. And there's nothing in what we see and observe that categorically denies that. And it's consistent with the evidence we see in biology and in geology. Well, thank you for listening.